ladies, and welcome to the Beauty Shaman. So I have lost my marbles. Xhair sent me these hair extensions. They are real hair. You can straighten them, you can curl them, anything you want. They're clip-in, so very easy to put into your hair. They stay in all day, very easy to clean. It's so amazing. I am blown away by how much I like this. And how I went to my hairdresser and I said, I want to have long hair like that. How do I get this? So I'm going to let my hair grow. After putting these in, I realized how fun this is. This is the most fun I've had in years. I just have had so much fun playing with these, honestly. My best friend went out and bought them and is using them. It's like, I'm totally down with this. This is a major thumbs up for me. So one of the great things I love about this for all of you is that as we get older, of course, our hair gets more thin, especially along the sides of your face. So I have never used clip-in hair extensions. I've put them on a lot of people as a makeup artist, but I've never actually used them because I have extremely thick hair. However, as I get older, it gets thinner around my face. So I have a waft. They're called wafts. I have one here and I have another one a little bit lower. So it really fluffs up this part of my face and gives me more volume. It also, of course, gives volume to the back of my hair, and I want to show you the back and kind of where we're going in this tutorial. But this is the back. As you can see, it's great, very even. It looks really, really nice. And of course, this is a perfect color match. Like the color that they sent me is unbelievably accurate. So that was great, that's important. But I would say putting these in is extremely simple. Any of you can do it. So in this video, I'm gonna demo how I put them in, and I don't even do it perfectly, okay? Because I'm doing it blind, I've got my back to the camera, I'm just feeling it around, and still, it's not that hard to do. So really simple, really gives you a nice volume to your hair as your hair is thinning, and you'll just be able to clip them in and go about your day and just feel incredible. So love this, very happy with it. Let's get going.
Okay, so to start off with, we're gonna section the hair. So start at the very top of your ears, go all the way across, try to get it as straight as you can, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Take that top layer of hair and clip it back. The clip that you're seeing is the one that comes with the box of Xhair. Then take three, so this has 3 clips. You start in the very middle, and you clip the middle and then the 2 on the sides. Before I put this in, I combed the waft and I straightened it. I do recommend doing that, or you can curl it if you'd like, but I prefer to curl it if I am going to curl it after it's in my hair so I can marry it more with my natural hair. Then you go about 1 inch above that, ½ an inch to 1 inch, and you put in the 4 clipped waft. So this has 4 clips to it. Again, you start in the middle, clip it right in the middle, then you do the 2 outer edges. So you're sectioning it, giving a little bit of hair for it to clip onto from the bottom section, and then do another section. So again, I'm going 1 inch to ½ inch above that one, separating it, clipping it. The wafts are ready to go next to me, so I can just grab them, find the middle, and clip them in. If you have very fine hair and they have a difficult time holding, I do recommend you back comb your hair a bit and then put the waft in. That can help them to stay in better if you have a hard time keeping them in your hair. And as you can see, my hair is not super long. So you do see the differences in length. So I think that comes from styling, like you can straighten it or curl it, and that will help to marry it a little bit better. Same with the top layer. You go with the very crown, section it, and then take the waft with 2 clips on the side. And this is for those of you who have thinner hair around your face. Really makes a big difference to put those 2 clips on either side. Looks great, right? Then I take the top layer down and I just find the place that's the most thin for me, which is right there, and put the 1 clip. So this waft has 1 clip in it, so it's very small, but it adds that little bit of extra volume. You can put these where it suits you the best. If you want to put the 2 clips slightly higher and the 1 clip slightly lower. That's totally up to you. As you play with them, as I have, you kind of figure out what works best for your head. Then grab a brush, marry both hairs, the waft and your hair, and there you go.
Okay, so it's super simple, as you can see. Please write down below if you have any questions, but I definitely encourage you to visit Xhair. It is not expensive. It's like $30 to $40 for one packet. It depends on how many are in the packet, but I think they have a lot of great color options available to you. Very affordable way to feel really, really awesome. And of course, now it's made me convinced I have to grow my hair. But I really love it. It's just beautiful and totally encourage you to check them out. All right, thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.